In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to do this, and you can do this on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. But all I want to go ahead and do is go to search on the bottom, and then I'm just going to type in reset like so. And what you're going to see is a lot of different things. And if reset doesn't come up, what I want to type in is factory. And then once I start typing in factory, I typed in factor, I'm going to see reset this PC. So you might see it on reset, but you might see it on factory as well. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring you to your system settings like so. Then you're going to see reset this PC. It says choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So we're going to press reinstall PC. Then we're going to choose remove everything. Then it's going to be getting things ready for the removal. So you can do a local reinstall or a cloud download. So we're just going to do a local reinstall. And then, yeah, once you're happy with it, just click next. And then you could go ahead and remove absolutely everything. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.